everyone, welcome back to the channel. Day 19 on the woodworking journey. Yeah, we're still only at $120. But today I'm going to try to go crazy to make up with it and get lots of these projects hopefully finished up. We're going to start off with a glue up for these two spruce planks. Plus, I'm hoping that the place where we really are slowing up is the epoxy station, just because I only have so much room. And it takes so many coats of this epoxy and so much time to dry and whatnot, right? So, yeah. We're also going to be working on the legs here right away, and I'm just doing a whole bunch of other stuff. Lots of sanding probably today. So, here we go. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. Hey everyone, so that's going to be the end of day 19. I think it is. We did get quite a bit done. We did the first coat of epoxy on those 2 special order side tables. We also put wood filler on the legs. We did that glue up. And we did build these. I know I have a lot of sanding to do to make these look good, but the feature or the start is at least done. And at least these guys, it sits nice and flat. But anyways, stay tuned for tomorrow and please subscribe. See ya.